Welcome to the online demo of Accordance Bible software. Whether you are a pastor or a professor, a rabbi, or just a student of the Bible, Accordance will place a wealth of information at your fingertips. You'll be able to follow a path of Bible study intuitively without ever stumbling over the software interface. Accordance version 8 is now in universal binary and runs much faster on Macs with the Intel chip. It also offers powerful new search features, more customization options, and enhancements specifically for those with a large library of resources or those doing key number searches. The Accordance Workspace enables us to view all our Bibles, dictionaries, commentaries, and other resources in a single window. The Workspace window is divided into three main sections. The first is the tab section. It initially opens with a single tab containing our default Bible. Every time we open an additional resource, another tab appears in this section, keeping all our resources neatly organized. Under the row of tabs is a second section, the search entry box. This is where we enter our search information. We'll return here shortly to cover this section in more detail. The third and largest section of the workspace is search results. Just as its name indicates, it shows the results of our current search. Here, it displays the entire text of the King James Bible. We can navigate through our search results however we want, verse by verse, chapter by chapter, book by book, or even just by using the scroll bar. There are also three auxiliary windows on our desktop. The first of these is the library window, located to the left of our workspace. We've already used it to open our Bible dictionary. New in version 8, it offers easier access to all our Accordance modules, like the Bible Atlas. Below our workspace is the Instant Details box. It provides all kinds of additional information to users on the fly. The information itself varies with the specific resource a user is consulting. For example, in this map, it provides the exact longitude, latitude, and elevation of the cursor point. In the Bible Dictionary, however, it gives us the text of every Bible reference and abbreviation. Other resources feature other kinds of information, and we'll show off some more of these later in this demo. The resource palette is on the far right. It allows us to amplify any search and dig deeper to uncover more information in specific Accordance resources. To illustrate, let's click Jerusalem on the Bible Atlas, then choose Holman's Illustrated Bible Dictionary. It opens directly to its articles on Jerusalem. The resource need not even have its articles indexed in English, like the Theological Word Book of the Old Testament from the Supplemental Bible Reference modules. It uses Hebrew to alphabetize its articles. In every case, Accordance works behind the scenes to deliver the information we need quickly and efficiently. So, how do I use Accordance in my study of the Bible? I'm glad you asked. Search by verse. The most common task in Bible study is a simple search. Whether we need to locate a specific verse or all the verses in which a specific word is found, Accordance makes searching the Bible easy. Here's how. First, we select the Bible we want to search on the upper left side of the search entry box. For now, we'll stay with the King James Version. Then we click on the Verses button and enter the books, chapters, or verses we wish to see. We don't even need to type the book's whole name, just enough of it to identify it. We can even search for multiple verses at the same time, and the verses and books don't even have to be in the proper order. Let's look at three of the classic creation passages in the Bible. Accordance will also display these verses in more than one translation simultaneously. For example, let's compare the King James Bible with the Holman Christian Standard Bible. We can even display the similarities and differences between the two translations. If we add a Hebrew Bible, we can take a look at Accordance 8's new keyword highlighting. This King James Bible is tagged with Strong's identification numbers. Notice the information that appears in the Instant Details box as we move our cursor across the text. It includes each word's meaning, the Strong's identification number, the Hebrew or Greek word, and its transliteration. New to version 8, is that the matching word is now simultaneously highlighted in the Hebrew text itself. If we move our cursor to the Hebrew text, we can find the root, translation, and analysis of each Hebrew word in the Instant Details box. Notice that the corresponding words in the KJV text are also highlighted. Triple-clicking on a word in either of these texts will automatically open a Hebrew language dictionary. These features make it possible for people who do not know Hebrew or Greek to still access original language resources. Accordance also offers a dozen or so modern foreign language Bibles. Since we can have as many Bibles open as our screen allows, let's open a Spanish Bible and an Arabic one. Here's how our passages look in each of those languages. Once we find the verse we're looking for, we can investigate it with a commentary. Triple-clicking in any verse reference opens our default commentary. Accordance even opens it to the correct page. We can also view any commentary in a parallel reference pane so that it scrolls with our Bible. And yes, we can view multiple commentaries that way.